all the kids. It's burgundy right there. Orange. Pink beside her. There's purple on Walkabout. And then we got the boys. There's Blue Boy and Green Boy. And I don't know what she's on about this morning, eh? I don't know what she's on about this morning, eh? What are you on about? What are you on about, eh? Do you think Mommy should come back and feed you, eh? Do you think Mommy should come back and feed you? I love when they open their mouths. I love when they open their mouths. Look at my little stinkers. That's Green Boy. Big yawn for Green Boy, eh? Big yawns, eh? Big yawns. Hey. Big yawns, eh? There's Miss Orange. There's Blue Boy there. Hello, ladies. Oh, there's one boy there. Who's that? That is Pink. Hello, my lovelies. Hello, my little lovelies. Hey. Hello, my little lovelies. Hey. I'm doing a whole bunch of walking now. A whole bunch of walking and a whole bunch of cuting. Hey, hello, my little stinkers. Hello, my little stinkers. Hello, my little stinkers. Hey. Oh, I know, I know. Hey. Oh my gosh. Come on, can you say adorable? Can you say adorable?